over Chilliwack. Ken Fowler, Eric Henson, and Team Rocket. Flying the incredible Harmon Rockets.
As they come back down in towards show center, gaining a whole bunch of airspeed. Watch what they do as they start to come in.
They're coming.
Lots of air show smoke coming out behind these incredible Harmon Rockets. That's Eric upside down. Ken, a bit of a canopy pass as he rolls down the length of the show line.
Ken grew up in British Columbia and started his aviation career by first earning his glider license in 1977. In 1978, he joined the Canadian military as an airframe technician and worked on C-33s, CF-101 Voodoos, and CF-18s before becoming a flight engineer in 1988. Ken has built count them, five of his own aircraft, and is now building one of his own designs as they come in both straight for each other, back on the sticks. And up they go into the skies over Chilliwack. Eric on our left, Ken on our right. They roll the airplane, so we're looking at the top side of the aircraft right now. They're continuing to climb. These Harmon Rockets have tremendous vertical abilities as they kick in hard left rudder. There you have it, folks. The formation hammerhead stall turnaround from Team Rocket. Now you'll see that the aircraft is off separately, straight for each other. Here's the maneuver to get them back into formation. You've got Eric Henson in the lead as he gently turns around, and Ken Fowler is struggling to catch up there at the eastern side of the field.
Oh, don't worry, he'll catch up as we listen to the cockpit conversation going on between these two great performers. Eric comes from a flying family, was introduced to flying at a very early age by his father. Although a pilot since 1986, he's relatively new to aerobatics. Started in competition in 1999. He's flown over 25 different types of aircraft. Now watch what happens here as they start to roll around. That is Eric upside down. Ken rolling around. That air show smoke that Eric is leaving behind as they whistle and turn across the skies here at Chilliwack, doing a perfect job right down the show line.